Welcome viewers. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.3 of class 8 mathematics, understanding quadrilaterals. Question number 1. This is a parallelogram. In this, we have to find AD equals to which part? So AD is equal to BC because these two are opposite sides and opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So this will be equal to BC. Angle DCB will be equal to angle DAB because angle C is opposite to angle A and angle D will be equal to angle B because in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. OC is this segment. So DB and AC are two diagonals of this parallelogram. Two diagonals of a parallelogram bisects each other. So OD will be equal to OB and OA will be equal to OC. So OC will be equal to OA. Angle DAB plus angle CDA. So this angle plus this angle will be equal to 180 degree. Sum of two consecutive interior angle of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degree. These two are parallel lines and this line DA is transecting two parallel lines. So sum of these two interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Clear? Question number 2. We have to find values of angles x, y and z in these given parallelograms. Okay. Certain properties of parallelogram. Sum of two consecutive interior angle is 180 degree. Opposite interior angles are equal. Okay. So let's solve. If this angle is 100 degree, so angle y being interior and opposite to it will be equal to it. So it will be 100 degree. If angle y is 100 degree, y plus z is 180 degree. So z will be is equal to 180 minus 100, that is 80 degree. If angle z is equal to 80 degree, x is opposite to it, so this will also be equal to 80 degree. Clear? This angle is 50 degree, opposite to it, this will be 50 degree. This angle plus angle z makes linear pair and both add up to 180 degree. So angle z will be equal to 180 minus 50, that is 130 degree. If angle z is 130 degree, these are angle y will be equal to z because these both are alternate interior angles. If we extend this line and this line is transecting these two parallel lines, so angle z will be equal to angle y. So y will be equal to 130 degree. If angle y is 130 degree, x will be equal to 130 degree. Clear? In this figure, this angle is 90 degree. Angle x is vertically opposite angle. Hence, these two are equal. So x will be equal to 90 degree. In this triangle, 90 plus 30, 120 minus 180, that is 60. So y will be equal to 60 degree. If y is equal to 60 degree, these two lines are parallel and this line is transecting these two parallel lines, making y and z to be alternate interior angle which are equal. So z will also be equal to 60 degree. Clear? 80 degree. So y will be equal to 80 degree. If y is 80 degree, x will be equal to 180 minus 80, that will be 100 degree. If x is 100 degree, this angle will be equal to 100 degree and that will make z to be 180 minus 100, that is 80 degree. Clear? This angle is 112 degree, so y will be equal to 112 degree. If y is 112 degree, 112 plus 40 plus x will be 180 degree. So 112 plus 40, 152. 180 minus 152 is equal to 28. So this angle will be equal to 28 degree. If x is equal to 28 degree, it will be equal to z. So z will also be equal to 28 degree. Clear? Question number 3. Can you draw a quadrilateral, which is a parallelogram, and angle D plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. In a parallelogram, the opposite angles are equal. But if it is a rectangle or a square, then this angle will be 90 degree and this opposite angle will also be 90 degree. So this is possible, but need not be always true. AB is equal to DC. Yes, opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram and it can be of any length. AD is 4 centimeter and its opposite side BC is 4.4 centimeter. This is not possible because in a parallelogram the opposite side has to be equal. Angle A is 70 degree and angle C is 65 degree. This is also not possible because the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So moving on to question number 4. Draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles which are equal. A quadrilateral, we can take this figure. This is a quadrilateral, 4 sides, and this I have drawn it as a kite. That means AD will be equal to AB and DC will be equal to BC. Two consecutive pairs are of equal length in case of kite, and angle D will be equal to angle B. So we can draw a quadrilateral where two opposite sides are equal, two opposite angles are equal, but that is not a parallelogram, and it will be known as a kite. Clear? Question number 5. Measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in ratio 3:2. Find the measure of each angle of the parallelogram. So the angles are in ratio 3:2, so we can take the angles as 3x and 2x. So 3x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 divided by 5, that is 36 degree. So the angles will be 3 into 36, that is 108 degree, and 2 into 36, that is 72 degree. So the angles of the parallelogram with this parameter will be 108 degree and 72 degree. Question number 6. Two adjacent angles of parallelogram have equal measure. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. The only one possibility is if two adjacent angles are 90 degree, because two adjacent angles add up to 180 degree. So this is possible only in case of rectangle and a square where these two angles are 90 degree. So we add up 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. Clear? Question number 7. Adjacent in the figure Hope is a parallelogram. Find the angle X, Y, Z, and we have to also state the properties which we are going to use to find this. So this angle makes linear pair with this. So if this angle is 70 degree, this angle is going to be 180 minus 70, that is 100 degree, 110 degree. If this angle is 110 degree, opposite angle, that is angle X, will also be 110 degree. Okay. Now this angle is 40 degree. These two are parallel lines. PH is transecting it. So these are alternate interior angle. So 40, this angle, if it is 40 degree, Y will also be 40 degree. Correct? Now Z. This forms a triangle. So 40 plus 110, that is 150. 180 minus 150, that is 30. Clear? So properties we have used. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Alternate interior angles of two parallel lines transected by a line are equal. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Clear? Question number 8. In the following figures, reading as guns GUNS and RUNS, both these are parallelogram, and we have to find values of x and y in centimeters. So this is a parallelogram. So this side is equal to this side. So 3x is equal to 18. So we get x is equal to 18 by 3, that is 6, and value is in centimeters. Okay. Now again 3y minus 1 is equal to 26. So y is equal to 27 by 3, that is 9, okay, centimeters. In this figure we have, these are two diagonals of parallelogram, and we know that diagonals bisect each other. So this length, we can say this is O, so SO is equal to OU. So 7 plus y is equal to 20. Y is equal to 20 minus 7, 13 centimeters. If y is equal to 13 centimeter, then x plus y is equal to 16. So x plus y is equal to 16. That means x plus 13 is equal to 16. So x is equal to 16 minus 13, that is 3 centimeter. Clear? Question number 9. In this figure there are two parallelograms, that is RISK and clue CLUE. We have to find the value of this angle x. So if angle K is 120 degree, angle R will be 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. And if angle R is 60 degree, angle S will also be equal to 60 degree. In this parallelogram CLUE, if angle L is 70 degree, angle E will also be 70 degree. So angle L is equal to 70 degree is equal to angle E. In this triangle, that is ES, and we can take this as O, ESO, sum of angle E plus angle S plus angle X is equal to 180 degree. Angle E is 70 degree, angle S is 60 degree. So angle X will be equal to 60 plus 70, that is 130, 180 minus 130, that is 50. So angle X will be equal to 50 degree. Clear? Question number 10. In this figure, we have to explain why this is a trapezium. What is trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral whose two sides are parallel and other two sides are not parallel. Okay? So this angle, angle M is 100 degree and angle L is 80 degree. Sum of these two angles, these are two interior angle of this quadrilateral, is 100 plus 80, that is 180 degree. So two consecutive interior angle of this quadrilateral adds up to 180 degree. So NM is parallel to KL. NM is parallel to KL. So this is a trapezium because we can see KN is not parallel to NM. Only two sides are parallel to each other. Clear? Question number 11. We have to find measure of angle C if AB is parallel to PC. So again, two opposite sides are parallel. This angle is 120, angle B is 120. Since these two sides are parallel, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 minus angle B, that is 120 degree, which is equal to 60 degree. So angle C is equal to 60 degree. Question number 12. We have to find the measure of angle P and angle S if SP is parallel to RQ, if angle R is 90 degree and RQ is parallel to SP. So these two interior angle should sum up to 180 degree. So angle S plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. So angle S is equal to 180 minus angle R, that is 90, is equal to 90 degree. Clear? Now again these two angles must add up to 180 degree and measure of angle Q is 130 degree. So angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree. Angle P is equal to 180 minus angle Q, that is 130 degree, that equals to 50 degree. So angle P is equal to 50 degree and angle S is equal to 90 degree. Clear? So this completes our exercise 3.3.